Hi everybody. Today we'll take a quick look at this beautiful Prada bag. This is the Cervo double buckle tote bag in gray. It's deerskin leather, really soft. And let's see how big this thing is. The length of this is approximately, let's say, 16 and a half to about 43 centimeters. The height is approximately, looks like 11 inches or 28 centimeters. And the width of that is around 8 inches or almost 20 centimeters. It's a great bag. Let's see, let's open up. Well, before we open it up, let's take a look around. The handles are great. It's really soft and the workmanship is just perfect. And the bottom of it, if you look at the stitching, there's no flaws on it at all. I don't know if you can see this, but actually there's engraved lettering here from Prada. Let's take a look inside. There's one button here. Let's take all these out. As you can see, it can hold a lot of, really spacious. As always, you can see the Prada logo. The workmanship is perfect. The zipper says Prada Milano on both sides, and you have two zippers, one on each side, or two pockets. There's also two little pockets, great for your iPhone. There's like so much room in here. And the inside is also leather, which is like really soft. It also comes with a, you can also configure it. If you need more room, you can open this up. Stitching is perfect. So hopefully we have given you some good information on this bag to help you with your purchase. And until next time, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.